Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Airtable for coordinating school activities. Airtable is a powerful tool that can save you time and help you stay organized. First up, you'll want to create a new base on Airtable. This is where you'll store all your data related to the school activities. The reason we do this is because it's essential to have a central location where all the information can be stored and accessed easily. Now that we've done that, let's add a table within the base for each activity. This helps us because it allows us to separate different activities and manage them individually. For example, you can have one table for sports day, another for art exhibition, and so on. Each table will serve as a separate project within your base. Next, we'll add fields to each table. For instance, you might have fields for date, time, venue, volunteers, materials needed, and so on. These fields are customizable, so you can add any field that suits your needs. This step is crucial as it helps us to capture all the necessary details for each activity. Now that we've set up our tables and fields, it's time to fill them with data. Input all relevant information about each activity into the corresponding fields. Here's where the magic happens behind the scenes. As you populate your fields, Airtable automatically creates a database that you can view and edit in multiple ways, as a grid, calendar, Kanban board, or gallery. The reason we do this is because it lets you visualize and manage your activities in the way that works best for you. For example, use the calendar view to keep track of dates, or the Kanban view to manage tasks. Before we wrap up, let's quickly touch on collaboration. Airtable allows you to share your base with others and assign tasks. This way, everyone involved in organizing the activities can have access to the information they need and update it in real time. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Airtable for coordinating school activities. Remember, the key to making the most of Airtable is to customize it to your needs and use it consistently. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.